Let us write a table for sin x between minus 2 pi to 2 pi. I will take multiples of this. Now see here, I will take up x value, sin x value. X is 0, sin 0 is 0. X is pi by 2, 90, it is 1. X is pi, it is once again 0. X it is 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1. 2 pi, it is 0. Take minus pi by 2, it will be minus 1. Minus pi, it is 0. Minus 3 pi by 2, it is 1. And minus 2 pi, it is 0. How we get these values? Let us see. I will do for sin pi is sin of pi plus 0. Sin 0, 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 is sin 270 plus 0 minus cos 0 minus 1. So you get those values, etc. If you take up the graph for this, sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2, 1, sin pi 0, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin 2 pi 0. It goes on like this and coming back, sin minus pi by 2 minus 1, sin minus pi 0, sin minus 3 pi by 2 1, sin minus 2 pi 0. So the graph will be this curve. This is also called sinusoidal curve.